Hi guys, so welcome to the C++ project series. So in this particular project, we'll be discussing about rock, paper, scissors project. We all have played that game rock, paper, scissors using our own hand, but here this is basically a computer generated game. So we're a user, that is me, I'll enter an input and computer randomly generates one more input, and then we compare whether who is the winner, and then so on, it continues. So let's get started with this. So basically in this first part, the task is to get the user choice. You have to take the input from the user and convert everything into lowercase, because the user can enter the rock in either of these four forms. One is first a capital R, followed by everything is capital, everything is small, or somewhere in between capital small, like that. So but we'll convert everything into small, because we can't ask the user to enter in small, so we'll just convert it. Simple. We'll convert it into small. So yeah, and then we'll be validating if the user has entered either rock, paper, or scissor, or anything else. If it is anything else, then we say please enter between these three and not any other thing. So let's see the code. First, we have the two variables, that is my score and computer score, which is equal to 0 initially. Then we have the function to convert into lowercase. So the function is basically whatever we take the input, we have to convert that into lowercase, full entire input into lowercase, and then return the same string. Now we have one more function called get user choice. So in this what user choice, the string is the user enters his choice. Now that user choice we have to convert it into lower. We'll use this to lower and we'll convert it into lowercase, the user choice, and then we have to validate. So we'll check if the user choice is either rock, matching to rock in lowercase, or paper, or scissors. If it is in these three, then we return the user choice, or else we say invalid choice, please enter rock, paper, or scissor. Simple. Now we have the main function. So in this main function, we have certain stuff, that is let's play the game. This is best of 3, and then yeah, one line break followed by now initially n equal to 0 we have put. Now we have taken 3 rounds here because n is less than 3. So 0, 1, and 2. We have 3 rounds. So every round n is incremented by 1. So basically we display the round number, that is round 1, because 0 plus 1 round 1. And now until it is true, it runs. We ask the user for the input in these 3, and then we take the user input. Now after the user enters the input, we have to validate the input if it is valid. So if it is invalid, then we say invalid choice, please enter these 3. If it is valid, then we increment the this thing round by 1. There is no logic behind the calculation here. This is just a simple opening part of the entire project. So let me run the program and show it to you. We'll be filling in the gaps in the upcoming project. So you can see, let's play rock, paper, or scissor. This game is best of 3, round 1. I have to enter either rock, paper, or scissor. I'll enter rock. Round 2, I'll enter here rock. I'll enter ROCL. It says invalid choice. You have to enter between these 3. So it is working properly. Now let me submit the program. So discussions have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.